Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk about Advanced WordPress Master Kit review. Let's take a look at the website. Do you want to take your website and business to the next level with the WordPress? Grab the stupendous Advanced WordPress Master Kit HD video training course to create beautiful designed and aesthetically pleasing WordPress sites without any coding or technical skills. So get instant access to Advanced WordPress Kit Master Kit now. I have attached the website link in the description box below. Check it out. Very few things have disrupted the digital marketing scene as greatly as WordPress has in the last decade. WordPress is the best known and most widely used content management system for creating websites. It was founded in 2003 and has since found millions of users and fans along the world. Thanks to the platform's free and simple content management system, it made it possible for anyone regardless of levels of technical knowledge to create impressive websites. This possibility is boosted further by seamless endless library of themes and plugins. That's why when it comes to the most downloaded software in the world, WordPress is right there at the top. To put further into perspective, let's take a look at some stats. 41% of the web is built on WordPress. Looking at the website built with CMS alone, WordPress powers a whopping 64.1%. Over 455 million websites use WordPress. There are 24.8 million live WordPress sites. 41.7 million posts are published every month on WordPress. 409 billion people view 15.5 billion pages every month. The most popular WordPress theme has earned more than $30 million. The average pay for WordPress developer is $53,000. People around the world are making a living through the WordPress, and there are a lot of opportunity for developers to help business builders sites with pleasing design and high functionality. The possibility boosted even further during this COVID-19 pandemic crisis as the coronavirus circles the world. It is to impact the WordPress industry overall. The web development industry boomed as well as the e-commerce industry. Businesses that stayed alive needed cheaper ways to communicate and turned to website, and many more people who lost their jobs started their own companies. Many of those people needed online stores. Providing a WordPress specialist have a unique opportunity to help the traditional brick and mortar and businesses prepare themselves for the online world during this crisis. There are still so many small businesses owners that do not have functional website or means to set one up. The power of WordPress is the flexibility it offers to the third-party plugins and themes to quickly get something online that actually help an owner bottom line right now, and the business owners are ready to pay for it. Web developers are charging anywhere between $5 to $5K for a fully functional WordPress site that generates great results. This is the only way they can keep their business afloat, and golden opportunity for you to create a result-oriented sites for them and get paid handsomely. But the problem is you don't know how to use WordPress. Although there is no need to have a coding knowledge while creating your own website with WordPress, it's a little bit intimidating to operate it if you are not a tech savvy. Well, all its theme, plugin and add-on, it can be little bit overwhelming to understand how the platform works and how you can leverage its fully potential to get optimum results. Well, we have to put together all the resources you need to get started with the WordPress quickly and easily. Let's grab a comprehensive step-by-step advanced WordPress Mastery Kit HD video training course. This course will explain everything you need to know about WordPress and website creation, from how to install WordPress customized site settings to post and page editors, block WordPress editor, and Gutenberg WordPress editor. We have included every single thing. Use this course to create stunning websites using WordPress and strengthen your brand online. Introducing Advanced WordPress and Mastery Kit. Model A 1 step-by-step training videos, 20 chapters, value $1,795. You'll get 20 chapters of step-by-step training videos that will show you exactly how to make a WordPress work for you to create engaging, attractive and professional looking websites without having a lick of coding knowledge. Everything is screen recorded and well explained. We have covered several initial processes to get you going. Inside you'll get. Check out the demo in the description box below. Chapter 1, WordPress Introduction. Chapter 2, Where to install WordPress. Chapter 3, Install WordPress on your local computer. Chapter 4, Install WordPress manually on cPanel. Chapter 5, Install WordPress using Softoclus. Chapter 6, WordPress a dashboard overview. Chapter 7, Clearing out WordPress dummy content. Chapter 8, Post and page editors. Chapter 9, Classic WordPress editor. Chapter 10, the blog WordPress editor. Chapter 11, the Gutenberg WordPress editor templates. Chapter 12, the anatomy of blog. Chapter 13, playing with columns. Chapter 14, how to add blocks to build a post. Chapter 15, how to add images. Chapter 16, finding more blocks. Chapter 17, useful blocks. Chapter 18, WordPress site settings. Chapter 19, general settings. Chapter 20, writing Model A. Model A 2, the primary training guide on Advanced WordPress Mastery Kit. It is essential asset for any website or business owner. WordPress can get usually confusing sometimes. It's all sorted out for you. Don't delay, just grab the deal. And there's still more to come. In addition, they are providing some bonuses. If you buy today, you'll get free access to 3 remarkable bonuses. Bonus 1, cheat sheet. The value of it is $30. Bonus 2, mind map. Value of is $20. Model 3, the top resource report. Value of is $30. So if you purchase from my link, I am going to provide you a free ebook. So just contact me on my Instagram ID. Send me a screenshot of your payment proof that you have purchased the product through my link, and I'll send you the ebook link. I have attached the Best Buy link in the description box below, so give it a go. Download the Advanced WordPress Mastery Kit right now. They have a 30-day return money back policy. So are you ready to get started? This is really a golden content and deserve a heavy price. But the objective is to enable every entrepreneur and small business owner to arm them with the expert knowledge it takes to stand up to the big guys. So we decided to offer it to you at a very heavy discount, but only for few next days. So grab the opportunity with the special discount right now. So there you have it. You have no excuses to not to get started right now. Download the Advanced WordPress Mastery Kit HD video training course today to your unlimited prosperity. Priyanka. I have attached the Best Buy link in the description box below, so download it right now. Thank you.